my friends, welcome to process video number 230. And I believe I titled this layout, sorry, it's been a while since I created it. I titled it Celebrate Cross Country. So this is going to be a single page layout, and this is I believe my second layout using my July homemade scrapbook kit. And the design for this layout is based off of a scrapbook generation sketch, and I got that sketch from a forum that I used to be part of, and so I don't know if it's free or not, so I'm not sure if I can share it. But if you are a scrapbook generations fan, I betcha that you have seen the sketch before, or it's not that kind of I shouldn't say innovative, but it's not I mean, I've seen some people kind of use that same design before. But anyways, the design is that you have two big blocks of paper, or two blocks of paper rather, on the top and the bottom of your layout, and then a strip, and then your photos. The sketch did call for 4 photos, but I only have 3. And then some banners. Scrapbook Generation is very not, I don't want to say popular, but they're known for their sketches having banners. I guess that's kind of their thing, their signature. I am pulling out some whole papers and some scraps as well. Most of it are full papers because, like I said, this is only my second layout for using the kit, so I have a lot of big blocks of paper still to use. Most of the papers that I will be cutting are ones that are for the banners. I did use those 2 papers for the top and the bottom, and I really like the combination of the dark blue with the orange. And initially I thought that maybe I can use a green, mostly green, because my daughter has a cross-country shirt that's white and green, but I felt like it was too dark for my layout, so that's why I went with the papers that I used for this. Now, I had cut my paper strips. Some of them are 1.25 inches, some of them are 1.5 inches, but I think the biggest one is 1.5 inches, just because I didn't think that I could get away with any wider than that. And I'm just hand cutting the fishtails on the banners, as you can totally get a punch, a banner punch, and so that your fishtails are perfect, but I'm not really caring about that. I just want to make sure that there's fishtails and that there's enough banners to go around my page, or for that accent that I'm doing particularly. So yeah, I'm just doing this banners here, and then I am going to go ahead and adhere the items here. Like I said, the photos are of my daughter. This was in 2018. I am currently working with my 2018 pictures. I did a mass printing of all of what's left over of my 2018 documentation, or documenting, I should say. And so you're going to see me do a lot of 2018 photos. I have some 2019 and some 2020, but I feel like I need to catch up on the 2018 first before I go and work on the more recent photos. These are her, so if it's 2018, so I want to say this one was 7th grade, and this is cross country. And so this was her first year of actually doing like sports. In her middle school, they don't really, I mean, they have the kids do some sport, like you can join the sport in 6th grade, but you really are not competing until 7th grade, because I think they feel like the kids need 1 year of like practice, and then go on to actually competing with other schools the year after. So this was her like first legit competition. Well, this wasn't, I'm just messing up my words. This is not really her first, but this was her last running competition for the season, but this was her first season, if that makes any sense. So I adhered everything. I don't know if you saw that, but I do kind of pre-cut some big titles using my silhouette machine and just using some basic words, and I like to cut them with a script font so I can marry those fonts with some more sans serif fonts like Times New Roman, or in this case some stickers that looks like typewriting font. And I like those two combinations, that you have kind of the scripty and then you have the serif fonts there. And I just have those on a piece of scrap, it's not even cardstock, it's just a piece of 12 by 12 paper. I think I used those inserts that come in sheet protectors, so I just used that and place my letters on there, and I just stack them up so that when I'm ready to scrapbook, that I have some words that I can use. So some of the words that I have is remember, family, love, together, celebrate, smile. So those are some of the things that I feel like I can use in many different kinds of scrapbooking layouts. So that's what I do. And sometimes I cut them on just white and black, but as you can see here, I also used some glittered cardstock, which is a good way to use some glittered cardstock because I rarely use them in my scrapbooking, you know, just as like a background or something. So I'm trying to use up my stash here, trying to kind of give my stash some new life. I really like that piece, that sticker that says "You got this." I felt like it was very appropriate for this kind of event, and so I put that in there. I also put the rainbow in there just because I feel like it needed something more, and I'm going to end up just leaving that 3x4 with just those two stickers, I think. It's been a while since I did this, but I'm just going through and rummaging through all of the stickers and trying to see what else I can add. I will be adding some more stickers, and then I am going to finish it off with some printed or designed enamel elements. I say printed because it's not your solid colored enamel dots. It has some designs on there, and it's just a leftover from I think a scrap room kit club kit that I had used before. So basically that is my layout. If you have any questions, make sure that you leave it in the comment section below. If you like these videos, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing, and share the video for those people that you think might enjoy the kinds of videos that I do, because I am always trying to expand my the people that I could reach with my layouts, and so that's it. There's going to be close-up photos here, and I will catch you guys in another video. Bye.